long as we stay very still and don't move, they can't see us though.
Okay. So what are you doing on the ground in my garden?
We're replanting onions, so we took off the top, the scallion part, and then we're gonna put them back in the ground and let them regrow. And they'll be tasty.
Okay, I'm asking you a week later. They're still there.
We shall see. I think they need some water though, too, to help them get a little bit of a start.
Okay. I think my neighbors are going away.
Ooh, we scared them away. We're very good at this.
Okay, what's our plans for today?
Okay, yeah, so she was saying that maybe this wasn't enough of a left, so we'll see if it grows or not. There's the root left and a tiny bit, so we'll see if it grows. Maybe put this one in the corner, experiment. If a tiny thing can come back to life.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so our plan for today is harvesting potatoes.
Oh yeah, harvesting potatoes. This one doesn't have a root, I don't think.
Yeah.
This one, maybe not successful.
Okay, so let's go to the potatoes.
There she is. All right, I gotta get to helping her.
So as you remember, I did this already, the half of it. And I'm seeing now that the potatoes are already very brown, so I will harvest now the whole field. And then something new can go.
Okay, so what's my job though?
I don't know. You can help me.
Okay.
Look at this.
Ooh, that's a big one.
How much is it? It's 3 kilograms.
Ooh.
Okay, and the other one? 5 kilograms.
So 8 kilograms.
8. So from the whole waste bed, I get last time 11, and this is now 8. So it's 90 kilograms from the whole waste bed. I don't know if this is much or not.
I think it looks like a lot.
Yeah, look at this. This is the biggest one again. Great. Okay, next waste bed.
Ooh. Oh wow, look at this. So, putting them in a bucket. Not so much.
Just how it beats when you
Great.
We should do a video the German way, the American way.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, it's a lot better doing this than bending over.
Tomatoes looks very nice. Should I change the bucket for you?
If you want to empty it.
Oh, that's a lot.
So I'm kind of just giving your dirt a massage. I think it likes it. I went to gardening school.
I can see it.
Gardening 101. You have to get your hands in there and give the dirt a good massage. To harvest the next crop of plants are going to be very good. Yeah, hold on.
No.
Alright, I couldn't find Little B. You're hiding. I found you. Oh.
You have everything in the ground too, huh? Or should I do it with this one again?
You can check. I didn't find anything. It was rock solid hard. I go with 99%.
So, okay, so this is ready. And here I was a little bit going through this one. Cory harvested the potatoes. This is ready, and I did some work over here. And look, my pumpkin. It's growing every day. I'm so proud of it. It's so cool. And Cory is way over there. Can you see the wet point? Oh, he's a very good helper. So I'm the woman. I'm pretty much clean. Small little bit sweaty. And he?
Something bit my nose.
Oh.
I think it was like a wasp. I don't get why I've ever placed to bite me on the nose.
But are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. All right, so check this out. All this food. So I don't know how many, I think potatoes, she said like 30 kilograms, I think, somewhere around there. She has the numbers, but I see some cabbage in there. Got carrots, onions, and I don't know what else is there, but artichokes, we were gonna do that, and I was like, actually, this is so much food to take care of, and yeah, it's a lot. So I am completely covered in dirt, and they have this nettle. I've never seen this before. It instantly stings you. And there was a wasp flying around my nose, but I wonder if I was grabbing the plant and hit my nose with a nettle and it stung me and I thought it was a wasp. But because I don't see a big red, I don't know. But this nettle plant, it stings you like crazy. Anyways, beautiful little bees working there. But finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think 9 beds. And I was working on one way back there, but because being a big guy, I cannot just keep bending over, so I just have to get in there and get dirty. It's the only way. And of course, my Fitbit said I did 10,000 steps today, so it's 2 o'clock and 10,000 steps, and we have to still walk up second time up to the sheep too. So I think I'll hopefully get close to 20,000, at least 16 to 20,000 today. Steps is the plan, but I am so tired. But yeah, when I was doing the potatoes, here is fine, but she definitely has something living. There's a whole network of tunnels everywhere, and about half the potatoes were eaten in the back. So way back there, she definitely has field mice, maybe some type of mice going under there, and having a whole family, I'm guessing. So I was so scared when I was getting the potatoes, will mice come and bite? But I don't know, I think they run away. So anyways, I think we're done for the day of the gardening thing. But yeah, again, the day's not over. The time we do the sheep, I am so exhausted. By 7 something, I just have to go to bed and everything hurts. So yeah, so anyways, adios everybody. And this chicken gets some food. It's a salad, leftover salad. So it's a little bit, yeah, it's just ready. It was too high, and yeah, I can't really eat it anymore. I think this is getting funny. Why are you coming from here? Should it be coming from this one? Maybe I didn't turn it on. This thing. Okay. Chipping down.
What is he doing? Uh-oh. Oh, sweet of you.
It's so cold.
But I have a shower in the basement. Oh. Why is it German?
I don't know what kind of seasoning's on this right here.
I think it's just butter.
It has something on it.
Garlic?
Maybe. I don't know. Everything tastes just a little different in Germany.
Oh.
First German barbecue. Which I haven't actually seen something like this before, so this is kind of unique too. I'm so used to like barbecue grills and yeah.
So what are we eating?
Style. It looks like bread you baked this morning, carrots and apples, which is really pretty, cucumber, and I'm not sure what kind of meat. This is your meat.
Pig. Yeah, it's pig. So I'm wondering, I have now an American man, and he's used to do a lot of barbecues, and then he came to my garden and said, I don't know, I have never seen this before, and he said this is a little bit old stuff. old school. Huh?
Yeah, everything sometimes like you go back in time though.
Oh no.
Toto. Ah.
So I have here my self-made tea. These are walnut leaves and nettle leaves. So here is a big nettle, you can see it here. And I dried it on my attic for I think 2 or 3 days, and now it's all getting in the mixer, and then I'm making tea. Oh no, it gets burned! Ooh! I have now tea. It looks not really so delicious. It's like green tea. Ooh. But I need new containers, so they are already full.